I wanted to show you how to install this from top to bottom on Windows 11 and how to install the GC550. Now I don't know if this works for the GC551, but I know for sure the GC550 works with this method. As you can see, I am running Windows 11. It's also professional. I'm assuming that does not matter what version you're using, whether you're using Home or Pro, or any other version that is. So every single software I'm about to show you, or driver, came from AverMedia's website, and I will show you where to go from there. So I went on to the AverMedia GC550. We're going to install the driver. You want to click the very first one. Now I have linked it in this Reddit post I have made here, the very first one, but for demonstration purposes we're going to show you how to do it the website way. But again, you can just click this and it will just click and it will start automatically downloading for you. So here we go. Let me show you how to install the CaptureCard. Go ahead and install it. As you see, I've downloaded it. Go ahead and install it. It asks me to plug it in. It does say the GC551, but I do have a GC550. And I will press OK. As you can see, it is installing. Okay, that part is over. Next part is to download the application. Now, I'm going to be using the one I used in the Reddit post, which is the beta one, which is right here. Again, it is literally next door to driver, so you just click on application. Again, if you want to use my Reddit post, it's literally just right there. You just click on it. We click on this and we click on download. Press save. And then we'll go ahead and install it. Yes. Press next. Disable the share anonymously, because who wants to share data? Press next. So we just give that a second, let it download and install its thing. Okay, so it's installed. We press finish. It's going to launch the program for us. And hopefully, because sometimes it gets a little bit buggy with the capture card. Hopefully this works. Okay. So we just press cancel because it doesn't need to know that. As you see, 1920 by 1080. We have the capture card working. Full screen it. As you can see, it's fully working on Windows 11. We can also go to the settings, and it literally shows you right here that I am using. Just scroll away, middle. It literally shows you that I'm using the Live Gaming Extreme. Okay, go away. Driver, USB status, everything is legit. As you see, it says I'm using the beta software. Again, I'm using Windows 11. So this does work 100%. And I will load up Splatoon. Maps have changed. As you can see, the audio is picking up. Yeah, here you go. Fully working. I hope that has put a lot of minds at rest. I hope this was a good tutorial for you. Again, check out the Reddit to get the links, or follow the way I did it. Either way, I hope you have found something new, found this helpful, and let me know on your feedback, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Take it easy.